Heal yourself naturally. Herbal remedies and exercise. In today's fast-paced world, stress and unhealthy habits take a toll on our bodies. But nature has gifted us with powerful remedies and exercises to heal naturally. In this video, we'll explore herbal remedies and simple exercises that promote overall wellness. Herbal remedies for natural healing. Herbs have been used for centuries to heal the body naturally. Let's look at some powerful herbal remedies. Ginger and honey help relieve cold and boost immunity. Turmeric milk is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Green tea aids digestion and supports weight loss. Exercise for a healthy body and mind. Exercise is just as important as diet when it comes to healing naturally. Regular movement keeps the body strong and stress-free. Some simple yet effective exercises include yoga for flexibility and mental peace, walking to improve heart health and metabolism, deep breathing exercises to reduce stress and enhance lung capacity, DIY herbal, detox, and daily routine. You can easily incorporate herbal remedies into your daily routine. Here's a simple detox drink to start your day. Take 1 glass of warm water. Add half a lemon and a teaspoon of honey. Drink it every morning to boost metabolism and flush out toxins. Healing naturally is a lifestyle choice. By combining herbal remedies with regular exercise, you can achieve a balanced, healthy, and stress-free life. Start today and feel the difference. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips.